So Tesla is currently in negotiations with India in order to build a Gigafactory that will be capable of producing over 500,000 vehicles per year, and that is absolutely insane. Now, this will, of course, will add to the trajectory of my price targets over at dailyinvestorx.com for Tesla, because the more vehicles Tesla is capable of producing and delivering on, the higher the profits. The higher the profits, the higher the price target. And of course, the higher the price target, the higher the value of Tesla's stock, which will be absolutely beautiful. Now, I know a lot of people have been concerned about Tesla dropping the price of their vehicles and covering the margins, but you have to remember, the majority of that said drop in the prices of Teslas comes from a $7,500 EV tax credit. It does not affect Tesla's profit margin in any way, shape, or form, because that tax credit comes from the U.S. government and the U.S. taxpayers, not from Tesla. And you have to remember, the more vehicles Tesla produces, the more money comes in. So that is the key. Now, you have to also remember that Tesla is one of the only few EV companies that actually has good profit margins on every vehicle they sell. Companies like Ford lose over $1,000 per sale. GM loses about $800 per sale. It is absolutely horrible. Tesla is the only company profiting over $5,000 to $7,000 per sale of their vehicles, and it is absolutely beautiful. And they are at the point to where everything is advancing absolutely beautifully with these giga presses that are going to produce even more vehicles next year. This is going to be absolutely massive. And let's not forget, they are not just an automotive company. They're also a solar company, an electric company, an insurance company, a robotics company, an AI company, a software company, a hardware engineering company, an insurance company. You have to remember, they are everywhere. They are a beautiful stock to have for a long term. And be sure to join up over at dailyinvestorx.com. You can see all my Tesla price targets. I actually gave out Tesla. I said it was going to be 250 plus this summer back in February, March, and that's exactly where it hit. It was absolutely perfection and beautiful. Tons of my members have been making money hand over fist out of Tesla. It is absolutely a beautiful stock to own for the long term. And if you're interested in joining, don't forget, I just reopened up all my $10 memberships at dailyinvestorx.com and patreon.com/investorx. For $10 a month, you can see all my crypto and stock likes, news, information, and you'll be able to access one day trade live stream every single week. It is absolutely beautiful, especially for the money. So be sure to go ahead and check out dailyinvestorx.com or patreon.com/investorx.